Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the show with Xander. This is episode number 140. And wow, we are celebrating 5 years of this podcast. Can you believe it? This might be the last episode of 2025. So I wanted to share something special with you. Today, I'm taking you to Cascais, Portugal, a stunning coastal town on the Portuguese Riviera just outside Lisbon. So, here is what happened. The plan was simple: catch a direct train from Cais do Sodré station in Lisbon and head straight to Cascais. About 30 minutes. Easy trip, right? Well, reality had other plans. We get to the station, ready to board our train, and guess what? No trains. Instead, there were buses replacing the rail service. So we hop onto the replacement bus, which drove us to another train station. From there, we finally got on the actual train. After a bit of waiting and delays, we were on our way, a 30-minute journey along the coast. It was beautiful. When we arrived in Cascais, I immediately understood why this place is so famous. It's a town where tourists from all over the world come to visit. The McDonald's there even has menus in three languages: Portuguese, English, and Dutch. That tells you how international this place is. We started walking and decided to check out a beach nearby, but here is the thing: the beach was tiny, really small. So we kept walking toward the marina where all the boats are docked. There was another small beach, and the whole area was absolutely amazing. I have to tell you, it was cold that day. Not because of the temperature exactly, it was around 20 degrees Celsius, which should feel pretty nice, right? However, the wind, the wind was intense, blowing at 20 to 25 kilometers per hour with a strong gas on top of that. It made everything feel much colder than it actually was. It felt more like autumn than spring. And let's talk about some famous animals, the seagulls. Well, here in Australia, they are not that big. Over there, they were huge, really, really big seagulls. Despite the wind, Cascais is gorgeous. It's this charming of beaches, marina life, and Portuguese culture. If you ever get the chance to visit Lisbon, I highly 100% recommend taking that train right out to Cascais. Just maybe bring a windbreaker. That's my story from Cascais in Portugal, near Lisbon. It has been 5 years of sharing these moments with you. Thank you so much for listening, for supporting this podcast, and for being part of this community. Remember to subscribe to the show with Xander on your favorite podcast platform and share this episode with your friends and family. I would love to hear your travel stories too. Connect with me on social media. Until next time, take care and keep exploring. I am Xander. This is the show with Xander. Until next time, ciao.